Hi guys, I'm going to record short video today. Welcome to Shade 3 Roadside Repairs channel. I unmounted front bumper and intercooler, which is mounted exactly at this place. I did it just because in my case this is intercooler and this is temperature sensor. It just got broken and part of that, basically the thread, is inside. Basically this is the sensor, and as you see this is the nut, and this is what happened. Well, what happened? I guess this is happened because of the rust and stuff like that. So if you want to unmount the intercooler, it's pretty easy to do. You need to unmount the front bumper. This holders clips from your wheel locker, and basically the bumper itself, you see it here. It's pretty easy to unmount it. So one bolt here, and I don't even know if you, I'm not sure, to be honest, if you want to mount that. Probably no, but I also unmounted this bolt, so it's not needed, guys. So basically you need to unmount 1, 2, 3, 4 special clips here. Everything on the bottom, as you see, but there are not so many, not so many places, to be honest. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same from the right side, and 1, 2, and 4 bolts here, and also in the center. And basically after that you can carefully unmount your bumper. Be careful, here, and I guess the hardest part to unmount it from the holders in this place. Yeah, in my case, as you see, holders are pretty damaged. And intercooler itself, so 2 nuts here, it's easy to unscrew them, and 1 nut here. So basically, and also wires from this place, and basically that's it. And of course the pipes from that side. And be careful, do not unmount these nuts here, because it's possible to unmount them, but it's very easy to damage this rubber here. So in my case it's very old, and rubber is it's kind of okay still, but be very careful and do not unmount it. Better to unmount at that place as a whole. I will clean my intercooler as well, and now I will think what I can do with this place. I need to somehow remove that thread from the inside. And the reason why I basically want to fix that is because my turbocharger creates pressure, right? And some pressure goes here to outside, and this is the reason why I feel that my engine is not so powerful anymore. I'm going to install the new sensor here, but now, as I said, I need to think how to remove it.